everybody, this is HiShop channel. Today we would like to introduce how to do installation of HiShop Wi-Fi camera. This series of Wi-Fi camera named according to universe concept. Let's take a look at our satellite model. When you open the package, you will find Wi-Fi camera, USB cable, quick guide, tape, pin, and power adapter.
Please power on the device. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password. Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap next to show your QR code, then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.